Now we're going to work from the bottom up. We're going to work your lats right through here from a plank position before we're going to work into the shoulder position. Okay, so first we're going to go what I call the nose to thumb, where you lined up your nose with your thumb and you set up this first part, and then you get to say your feet, and your feet can be apart together. Okay, and all you're going to do is reach forward, or you can reach higher if you want to spice it up. But one arm is going to move and the other arm is going to feel it. Okay, so one move, one feel. And again, nose to the thumb, and then we're going to go here, and then one stays, one goes. Always coming to reset so you don't get it on the shoulder neck area. Okay, mostly through there. Next thing is this, the second one is the same setup, except you stabilize up here and then you're going to work from the abdominals to your hips. Okay, maybe a little bit of quads. All right, so same setup, nose to the thumb, and then one foot stays, one goes. So you're just going to lift one, the other one stays. And again, you don't get extra credit how high you lift. Okay, so we're going to go here, up, down, steady, and no speed. So again, one move, one stays. Okay, all right, so next time we're going to go into more of the standing mode. Bosu Warrior 3, Dynamic Warrior 3. Okay, so with this one you want to feel the hip groin stretch, and then the butt cheek of the hip muscle on the opposite side working at it. And again, one stabilized, the other one works. Okay, so you're going to put your foot on the plug of the Bosu, and we call this sunny side down, just like eggs, right? So you're going to cover it up, and then you're going to put the opposite hand here, or actually you can put two hands, and you're going to stretch. You kind of think of your yoga warrior pose, but it's warrior 3. Now what you're going to do is going to find the stretch through the hip. This guy stretch, this one stabilize. Okay? So again, we're going to set it up like this, and then what makes it dynamic is that the minute you move this back foot forward, your hands come off. So you're going to go from here to there. Okay? So let's take a look. It's going to go like this. Stretch, work. Stretch, work. And notice how the knee does not need to come down to the floor. So you don't need to do this. Okay, it's more the stretch to the hip flexor to the groin, right there. Nose up, and then come on, okay? So that's your Bosu Dynamic Warrior 3. All right, talk to you guys next time.